mission to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, complete, basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment.
Good job. Okay, purple.
Teachers facilitate learning and nurture.
Learning and bago mag-nurture, anong nauna sa nurture? Letter C. C tapos O.
Culture.
Constantly. Go.
Nurture.
Bumalik ka sa purple.
Teachers facilitate learning on
And constantly, may S yun.
Constantly.
Nurture.
Every
learner. Hold on. Relax. Huwag nang mamadali, Griffin. Ayoko na nagmamadali kasi hindi marami kang mali-mali. Okay, nasa pangalawang page na tayo, color green.
Administrators and staff as stewards of the institution.
Ano na?
Institution.
Okay.
And ensure and enabling and effective
and supportive
environment for effective learning to happen.
Okay, good job. Last one, purple.
Family, community, and
Louder, wala na ako narinig. Paubos na yung boss mo.
Family, community.
Louder.
Family, community, and other stakeholders.
Slowly, Griffin, and louder.
Family, community, and other stakeholders.
Okay.
Are actively engaged, developing
And letter S. Share
responsibility for developing lifelong learners.
Okay. Konti na lang. Bukas, dapat, wala ng mga ayoko na maraming mali-mali. Goods naman Very good ka naman pero hindi pa smooth. So, more practice para bukas, para pagpasok sa Lunes, memorize mo na lahat to. At para makapag-recite ka. Okay? Itabi mo na, pagpahinga ko pahinga konti.